ازيكم. How to fix error Google.com refuse to connect. You don't have this incognito, you can download it. Then your account, sign in, and then enter email, this one, next, email of your YouTube channel, and then the password, and then next, need to verification, so after verification we entered, then open the studio, YouTube studio here, and then click on here or here. So it's working now. If this was not working, you have another solution. This change adapter options here, and click on here, and then disable and then re-enable. So this is another solution. Any questions, ask me and reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.